and welcome to RP Podcast. So, what's going on, guys? We are today's topic is really interesting, so we are really excited.
Yes,
How excited are you?
I'm so excited.
So today's topic is why people are addicted to something like games, reels, or tobacco, just smoking things like drugs or something like that. And how to get rid of this, or if you are addicted to something, how you can get rid with this. Or first of all, I want to clear that of course we have gained some knowledge by living in this life and till the age we have lived, and whatever the our knowledge is we'll
And
try
whatever
to
we
deliver.
experienced
Yeah, experienced in
and
our life.
absorbed.
So
So,
this will be about that. We are not perfect, and this nothing is a scripted, you can say, or nothing is something
yeah, so what
which you
is
will
coming in our
from our
mind,
mind
just
will be
we are
fixed.
explaining here
Yeah,
and expressing.
because this life is for real, because everyone is doing something and showing their just highlights, so we are not going to do that. It should be real, because people
Yes,
connect with real things. I know that people get attracted something like flex or highlights, but if you think for a basic level,
but our
definitely.
life is going on ground level,
Yeah,
so there is no any kind of filter or
there
no
shouldn't
any
be
kind of
anything.
highlights or anything.
Yeah.
So we have to real for our own life and living life happiness and goodness.
So this is what is all we were about to say. So now let's get back to the topic. So how and why people are addicted to anything?
Okay, according to my point of view, I think they are addicted because they instantly get happiness, and they released their
Yeah,
dopamine. Like when you are watching reels, or you are playing games, or you are drinking, smoking, or anything else. What do you like to do?
yeah.
But do you know, if you are watching or drinking or doing any kind of thing, it can be harm for the long time. But just you are getting relief instantly. That's a reason that we are getting addicted, because when we enjoyed and we think that this is good and this is not bad anything else, and they affect so little things, I think. At the same time, that's
Yeah,
a main problem.
so
So
we
we are not aware, and we didn't get instant awareness that it is harming to me, because
and we
in the
just
second
don't
end we get,
understand
yes,
that
happiness.
it will be harmful at that point of time when we are doing something for dopamine, or we are for our happiness or instant happiness. We just don't think about what will be harmful for the long time or in the future. We just try to do that, and after that we think, oh my god, it will harm or this that. But we are addicted to something, we are so addicted to something, and we don't stop doing that. We really don't stop doing that. Like people are addicted to reels, and even you can see my watch times for reels or insta scrolling. I watch a lot. I myself is addicted to something, my brother is addicted to some kind of a game, and people are addicted to something.
Everyone are addicted
Somebody is addicted
from
to
somewhere.
food, or
Yes.
junk food. People are addicted, so their health is getting worse and worse. You can see the hospitals, you
And
can.
for nowadays, very famous thing, a relationship is
Yeah,
also
people are addicted to people. They are not loving themselves, they're just addicted to
addicted
others. Yeah,
addicted to each other. Just they are connecting,
and
and
they are just not enjoying living, they're just addicted. There's nothing else. So this is because of instant happiness. We just get instant happiness, and just we don't think about what will happen in this
yes,
our life.
and we don't think that what will happen in future. We just think whatever I am doing currently, it's just for it's now. But we all know our present is a future.
And you
So
know,
just we have to make good our
good decision, good our make good our life. So I think why people do, they think, if let's talk about myself, if I'll study, I study, I will get rich, I'll continue and I'll do some big things. I will get happiness. And watching reels, I am getting happiness. So we think that the same happiness is we are getting right now. So why should we think for the future? If after working we'll get the same happiness,
Yes, yes.
this is what we think. But it is so bad for our everything, for our life, for others, or for this planet. So we should stop doing all of these things, because these things are nonsense. People are addicted to tobaccos. They're written like you will get
We
cancer.
can also see Narendra Modi.
Yeah,
He is addicted to
he is
it.
addicted to his post. He is addicted to his seat. He is not give. You can see Mendra Pradhan. He is not. He is addicted to his post. He is addicted to
Yes.
his seat, and he. You can see that Sonam Wangchu is on hunger strike, and nobody. At least nobody. Let's talk about BJP. It's not. They don't care. They don't care, and Dharmendra Pradhan does not care. Media does not care. So they are addicted to money. They are addicted to their seed. They are addicted to their luxurious life. They can't afford that life after giving up that
And
post.
they are getting instant
Yeah.
happiness, and
But
they are
you can
addicted.
see, if they will give up, if they will just, if he will resign and Modi will talk, then definitely people will give them respect.
Yes, yes.
But because of instant pleasure, they're not doing what they should do. So it's really, really bad. You can see, at least, see, we are discussing about them and we are saying that this is disgusting. We are saying this, and it is not good. It is not good for even our nation. So you can see, if you are eating tobacco, it is not good for your health. In long run, you will suffer from it.
Because our life is not so tiny,
Short,
and
like,
we are not for, only for present.
yeah,
So
you are
we,
going to live long,
yes,
for 60
we
years.
do not focus only on our instant pleasure or anything, because it affects our future.
So you can see all of these things in your life, in others' life, in some political leaders, in, you can see about stars, you can see cricketers. Nobody is speaking because of they're addicted to their luxurious life, their money, their fame. So they don't want to get uh, in some kind of a trouble. But if they will do, they'll help the nation, they'll help the future of our nation. But no, they are addicted to. But now we should talk about how to get rid of it. They are addicted, okay, but how to get rid of it? I know that we can't teach all of those people, like Dharmendra Pradhan, like Modi, or like cricketers, or like actresses. Okay, we can't teach them, but we can talk about ourselves, like us. If you are a student, if you're watching these videos, we can think of, because we are the future of
And
this.
if you are not doing any kind of a special thing, and you are also not
Yeah.
doing very good things in your life, and you are
You are
suffering from
struggling.
any
Addiction.
problem or addictions,
Because
so it
of
would be
course we
helpful.
are not doing any kind of great thing that will represent our
Just we
nation.
want to so so
So we can
so
get,
small changes in our life,
yeah.
and we can break all the bad things.
So I think for just first you go, that how can we get rid of addiction? If somebody is addicted to tobacco, if somebody is addicted to some person, like anyone can be their a partner or anyone. If somebody is addicted to reels, movies, game, we have talked about all the addiction things. So how can they get rid of it? So continue. You go first. I'll just discuss about it. So go first.
Yes, it's not easy. Who is addicted to something and anything from bad habits, and this is affecting their life slowly, not attacking.
Yeah,
The
instantly,
same
but in
instantly.
future
So,
definitely
yes,
they are
like
addicted.
smoking, drinking, or
Yeah.
watching, consuming so much screen time without any reason or a study or anything a special thing. So first we have to notice where we are wasting so much time and how much we are addicted. Like if you are smoking in a day 4 or 5, so it's hard and you can reduce slow, and
Yeah, you
you can
can't.
choose your good works. Like if you are interested to anywhere, nay, sorry.
Okay, okay, continue.
So you can choose a good thing and good works which is helping our environment, our society, your own life, your hygienic, your family, or also nation, or if I will talk about a huge amount, so we can also make changes in our earth. So we have
We
to
start. We can start from
very
very small,
small things,
like
yes.
cleaning our room, or
We
cleaning,
our
making, maintaining our own
hygienic,
hygiene.
yes,
And
and food,
yes, we can eat good food, we can do
prepare with
exercise,
ourselves.
we
So
can do or start
yes,
small for
and
that.
you can see your house. If I talk about Indian house, so there is not managed
Yeah,
things,
they are just.
accessories, many things like clothes, or so many unextra things are unorganized. So you can make changes from there, and you
Yeah, you
can
can start
maintain
from
your
yourself.
hygiene. Yes,
So if you are doing something like that, if you have to get rid of it, this is basic level. This is basic
yes,
level starting from. But if somebody is addicted to like eating or just tobacco, so they, if even if they will clean their room, they
but
will
they
start
can.
eating. So how they can get rid of it? Do you have any idea?
They have to make their goal,
Yeah, I think so. Like if
and
they are
they
eating.
have to uh, make disciplined life. Like after 1 hours I will before 1 hours I am
Yeah,
not going to smoke.
start basic like
Slowly,
for.
I'm if you're smoking in a day 5, so just start 2 or 3. You
Start
can
for
go,
just reduce one, then after that
yes,
reduce
and
one,
slowly
reduce.
slowly you can go
And
for good works, and you can
yeah,
break
if
this thing.
you are smoking
Don't
pipe,
focus that I will remove
no, it
properly,
is
I
not.
will abandon properly and instantly, so it
And
will
we
be
we
not.
make same mistake. We try to do instantly. Like if I want to change my routine, I want to wake up early, I set alarm for 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
Why should I do? If I wake up at 7, how could it be possible to wake up at 3 o'clock? No, I should do something like the 6:30, after that 6,
Because we are
5:30.
not gonna to die
Yeah,
tomorrow. I know it's
life is
not,
unpredictable, I know.
but
But if
there is 90% chances that
you're going to wake up in the morning, so we should just it is really really important to start basic. We
yes, start.
can't stop anything instantly. If you are getting instant dopamine or
You
pleasure, you
can
can't stop
you can
in.
get a pleasure or happiness instantly, but you cannot break the
No.
rules instantly. That's a big, major problem that we are suffering, and we are we are not breaking the bad habits.
So just addiction is bad. Anything, if you are addicted to anything, no matter how good that thing is, it is bad. It is bad. If you are addicted to your partner, if you are addicted to food, if you are addicted to movies, if you, even if you are addicted to your work, it is bad. If you are working 24/7, where are you when are you going to leave? You are not going to enjoy your
Yes,
life. What would be the point of working 24/7? There is no point to work. But if just choose important thing in your life, or in your life, just try to clean. If you are cleaning your home, it's okay, you clean it, you are continuing with that. You start cleaning outside, because most Indian house is clean, but they're not clean, I know. But if Indian house is clean, their house only is clean, but after you'll get a step out of this
outside
home,
the home,
everything
and you
is
can see
dirty.
dirty
And you know,
room.
we have thrown that dirt, we throw all of the dirty things where all our we
We
clean
are
our home.
not talking about all over India. Just we are talking whatever we
But
observed and where
you,
we live.
if you are going to if you are living in India, you have definitely seen
Seen and
all the garbage. I know that we are not that much, we are not even doing we are same doing things, like we are also throwing the things, but we should start doing and we should
yes,
be aware.
if everyone will be aware and everyone will be
If
following the same thing, then it
eh,
changes make.
if we are aware, we'll not do anything in future. If we are aware to that producing child or producing garbage is same thing, so why would we produce child if we are aware? So awareness is really important. If you are addicted to anything, just start doing small and you will definitely get rid of it, I think.
Yes.
Because if anybody is addicted, start doing a small, start
And
reducing one thing.
first changes, just start where
Yeah.
you are, just start
Don't
from
think
now.
that
Don't
completely
think
will change.
what will happen,
Look at about
who will think what people say to me, and what is I'm going to do, and this is not for me, that is not for me. Don't focus the things, just start from now without affecting others.
listen, we can see, you can see us, we
Yes.
don't have good grammatical
And we
thing.
don't have a good English, just we are connecting the words and
We are trying to express
explaining.
our thoughts.
Yes,
So
just
it's really important. Start wherever you are now. And I think our podcast is about to end because we have to take only your 15 minutes.
15 minutes,
Otherwise,
yes.
if we'll go more, you are not going to be interested. I think you should be also interested in our
because
podcast.
we are not going to release dopamine.
Yeah, because it is not for dopamine. You know, if you'll watch our videos, you'll definitely think, what the hell is going on here? They are just giving all the knowledge, whatever they have, and we have not that. I know that we have not that great understanding of anything, but
But
whatever we have observed in our life,
and
we are going to.
whatever makes make changes,
Yeah.
so just we are sharing, and this is a ground level observation, so I don't think every
Yeah.
we are very busy in their life, so mm, don't.
So if we are going to take a lot of minutes, so it will be very bad. So
Just-
see you tomorrow, guys. This
Bye-bye.
is our 15-minute podcast. So see you in the next one. If you like, and please subscribe to our channel.
And
it
share
will
also.
it will make us feel that we should create
And
a lot.
We will be get motivation.
Yeah, it will get motivation as
by
well.
your like
And
or
of course, you can see us, you can relate with us. We are
Yes.
improving. You can also improve yourself like us. We'll definitely improve. We are improving. I feel I am improving. You are also improving. So everybody is
so
going to improve.
everybody can improve if they are doing.
Trying. So see you in the next one.